This particular initiative, the first Indian Medical Advisors Summit, is a long-awaited but extremely crucial initiative that has been organized by Geronimo Healthcare, and in particular Dr Amit Dang. If you look at the different functions within a medical department, medical affairs is the one that is closest to the business, and it's also arguably the toughest, because on the one hand you have the business needs, on the other hand you have the SOPs, compliance, applicable local regulatory requirements, and sometimes it's extremely difficult for medical affairs to walk that thin dividing line.
I met Amit about 3 years back. He was attending a conference that we were holding for pharma brand managers. So I was quite intrigued that a medical advisor would want to attend a conference on pharma branding. And later on he attended our conference on field force excellence as well. So when he asked me to be a part of this, I said, sure, it would be a great opportunity to be present with you and present my perspective, as I would say, from the field.
The sessions since morning have been really exciting, and we have talked about relevant issues facing the industry. I think we need to understand how we built it up from here, and for me the key take-home message would be that we need to have more and more forums like this where we talk about these issues, and this is an often neglected area where we as an industry never come across, but having these forums gives us an opportunity to talk about issues and opportunities within this medical advisory industry.
So there's an idea, it's fantastic, how to approach patient groups and then get them involved in the Indian setting.
Today I would like to touch upon a couple of things. One is an evolution and history of an RMA. Now, RMA means it's a regional medical advisor. In different companies it's called MSL, it's called MSR, it's called RMRS. Different terminologies have been used, but my current company is called Regional Medical Advisor.
So first of all, I would like to thank Geronimo for organizing this event, and it was a very successful event. There were more than 150 participants here, and I am personally glad to be here because there was a new topic which was given to me as Regional Medical Affairs, introduction to the whole the team members here, and I could see the drive of people coming here and the passion. So I would request Geronimo to conduct this more often every year, and we should take this journey forward and not stop it here.
Product is not a product unless the benefits have been clearly identified. And sometimes it is important that the data that is generated, the product that has been created, how do you translate that into the benefits in the mind of the customer is the bridge that medical affairs does in a very unique way between the clinical ops, between R&D and marketing.
Hi, this is an exciting initiative. Not only first of its kind, but one of its kind in India, and I'm sure it has given a good platform for medical advisors to come, to exchange ideas, to learn from experts. We have experts from various other companies who have come in, and they are giving their feedback. And this will tremendously help our new medical advisors to learn, to understand their roles, and to really put in a lot of effort so that they can add value to the marketing teams, because it's very important for them to partner with their marketing teams, work together and ensure that together the organization is able to achieve its initiatives.
At the end of the day, if that product doesn't do what it's supposed to do, how will you decide that this guy is a meets expectation? So based on that, you can decide whether he's above or below.
As a business, we are 8%, percentage is calculated the bonus in terms of your performance, IPM, versus the company performance. In the North American business, when the doctor sales was taken out of from their payments, there's a linkage to the North American business. How did the business in the North American entity versus the corporate entity versus your 20% IPM was it higher?
We should be truthful to our job, our education, but whatever we have studied, and ensure that whatever we do,
is the best for the patient. That is where when the session on the RMA was taken, it was very clearly mentioned that you might be facing a dilemma as to what do we propose to the doctor when he asks you a question. So there we have to be very clear in telling him that okay, this is what I would propose, because that will definitely improve patient outcomes.
We had a good panel discussion where we debated a lot on how we can really evaluate a medical advisor's performance. Okay, should it be aligned to the sales? How much sales figures should be aligned with the medical advisors? And there was a consensus which said that medical advisors' performance should not be linked to the sales, because medical advisors will definitely work a lot to ensure that his KRAs are met. But as long as he is able to partner with the marketing and sales teams and help them to enhance their role and their function, it's good enough.
I would like to thank Geronimo and INMAS for arranging this summit. I think it was required for a long time for this initiative. It happens abroad in Asia Pacific or in Western world, but I think it is the first time it is happening in India, and it was definitely required for all of us. It will not only help the students who are doing their graduation, post-graduation to understand their role responsibilities in future, understand their career opportunities, and also those who are right now in their job in their pharmaceutical industry doing the medical affairs function, they will also understand what is the scope of their function and what are the expectations from the other stakeholders.
I believe that this is a very great and fantastic initiative in which all the medical folks from the industry come together and share their experiences and understanding, so that we help people develop their opinion based on to what many others have been doing.
Somebody is already ready to give you a heads up. Grab that and then move forward.
Marketing and distribution challenge is huge because if you want to take beverages, which is liquids, you have to have a cold storage distribution system, which is not really the USP of a pharma distribution system. High pricing. So pharma is what? One active API, two APIs, your active pharmaceutical ingredient. But what is nutrition? 37 active ingredients.
Let us understand that there needs to be an autonomy for the physician, because the physician needs to take an autonomous decision and his choices.
I think it's a great meeting today. I wish all the best for the organizers, and I hope to see this meeting continuing on a yearly basis, and hope we have a publication for the Indian business to do this service to the future generation of the medical advisors coming in this pharmaceutical industry.
It's been a very good initiative. It's a first of its kind. That first time in India all of us have gathered together, and it needs to get and create a momentum. Many of us would say the same things over and again, and I think the beauty is that we have got a very cross cultural background people attending the same, who are working in India in emerging markets, clinical operations, and regulatory affairs and medical affairs. So it's a very big good mix. We are having a very interesting discussions over here, and from my talk I would say that social media is something which is already there, it is existing, and ignorance is not an option as of now. So we have to ensure that we are there at the right time with the right skill set and can guide our companies to adopt to social media strategies.
There are some things which will appeal to you, some things which will not appeal to you, some things will register with you, some things will not register with you. So essentially credibility is all about believing, accepting, and if found acceptable, implementing. or it should make a lot of difference to the people who participated. It is also an opportunity for fraternizing and intermingling and mixing with people.
The medical advisors have been brought together on a platform, and we've had some great thought leaders to come and share their experiences, their insights, and to show us how complex this medical affairs is and how important it is to an organization, and several of the grey areas as to whether medical affairs should anyway be influencing sales, or are they responsible for sales in any way. All these kind of issues which many of them had several thoughts about were cleared, and we had great leaders who come and speak about different aspects of medical affairs. And we also had Mr. Sharad Tyagi, the MD of Boehringer Ingelheim, come and speak. What does a business head expect from his medical affairs? So it was really a very interesting session. We had the students also come over to understand what are the job prospects for medical advisors. So it was a terrific session. I look forward to more such sessions in medical affairs. Thank you.